working on my '06 Electra Glide. I was popping an accessory fuse constantly. It was, every time I tried to ride, it would either go instantly as soon as I hit the brakes or 20, 30 minutes into my ride. And when you pop that fuse, your gauges go, your turn signals, and your brake light goes. Everything else works, but those. So move your saddlebag, take off your little cover here. It's this 15 amp fuse right here. Replaced it multiple times, kept popping. Did my brake relay, same issue. So I was kind of stumped. So I started looking around the bike. Decided to check out the rear brake switch, check out some wiring. It turns out this wire was melted fast to the exhaust. After pulling that off, I've checked the brakes a bunch of times. No issue since. I should repair the wire now and I'll be good to go. So if you have the same issue, check these wires. Might be the cause.